Mr. Mike, thank goodness you're here. I've been having so many problems with subtraction this week. Can you help me out? I need to know how many sausages I've got left for a party this week. I had 32 and I ate 16 of them. So, how many do I have left?
Of course I can help you out, Rocky. Let's head to the classroom and meet Rory and Molly. So, you had 32 sausages and you've eaten 16 of them. To begin, we need to look at the biggest number and write it in an expanded form. In this case, we have 3 tens that make 30, and 2 units. Altogether, 32. Molly, why don't you make a start by moving the tens into place? Great, thanks for that, Molly. Now, Rory, can you make a move on the units, please? Good job, Rory. Now, the next thing we need to do is write in, beneath our biggest number, the number that we are taking away. In this case, we have 1 10 and 6 units to make 16. Remember that when we are subtracting, we must always start in the units column. Uh-oh. It looks like Rory has a problem here. He has the number 2 above the number 6, and we can't take 6 away from 2. Do you have any ideas how to fix this, Rory?
No.
Why don't you go next door and ask Molly for some help?
Molly, can I exchange a 10 with you?
Yes, of course you can. I'll move them over.
Great! Molly has agreed to help Rory out by offering to exchange one of her 10s. Watch what happens when she pushes the 10 over the exchange line. It becomes 10 units. Rory, can you get them into position, please? Great! Now, let's count how many units we have after that exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We now have 12 units at the top, and we can now subtract, or take away, 6 units. Rory, let's deduct 6 from 12. Now, count up how many there are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units left. We can now put that number into our answer line at the bottom. Don't worry, Molly, we haven't forgotten about you. Now that we have helped Rory figure out how to subtract his units, we can move to the tens column. Since Molly exchanged a 10, she now has 2 tens remaining, or 20. We can take 10 away from 20. Molly, would you be so kind? Excellent. Thanks, Molly. Now, how many 10s do we have left? 1. So I can put 1 10 in my answer column. We have now subtracted from the units and the tens column and completed our problem. The final answer is 16. 32 take away 16 is 16. Did that help you, Rocky?
Why, Mr. Mike, that was brilliant. But could you go out and buy some more sausages, please?